take advantage of emerging trends in both technology and cyberspace, businesses need to manage risks in ways beyond those traditionally handled by the information security function. There must be latitude to develop a reasonable business case for determining the costs and benefits of investing in or implementing a security control based on key risk and investment factors specific to an entity. Cybersecurity attempts to assure the protection of assets, which includes data, desktops, servers, buildings, and most importantly, humans. Security through obscurity is the reliance in security engineering on design or implementation secrecy as the main method of providing security to a system or component. All necessary and reasonable measures of restricting logical access to the system should be instituted to prevent loss or corruption of secured data. Inside information security, processes are formal mechanisms to identify, measure, manage, and control risks related to information or its value to your organization. Risk-based security ensures that priorities are established and decisions are made through a process of evaluating data sensitivity, system vulnerability, and the likelihood of threats, especially when developing software that processes personal data. Another essential tool for information security is a comprehensive backup plan for the entire organization. You should use some of the solutions which are proven to be the best solutions for the cloud. To summarize, you must inform individuals of how long information is to be held and how that period has been determined. If the standard is interpreted to require that ACE be returned to 0 even for a disturbance that exceeds the most severe single contingency, a balancing authority could be required to take drastic operational actions, even when other measures of system reliability, voltage stability, normal frequency, operation within system operating limits, etc. indicate otherwise. Information security must protect information throughout its lifespan, from the initial creation of the information on through to the final disposal of the information. Otherwise, system engineering is an important technology discipline where practitioners are charged with taking many different and complex technical components and assembling them into a functional system that meets business objectives and security requirements at the same time. But as more and more sensitive information becomes accessible, the importance of network security increased significantly. It is concerned with information security control that involves the data protection, the database applications or stored functions protection, the database systems protection, the database servers, and the associated network links protection. For instance, any useful policy and mechanism must balance the benefits of the protection against the cost of designing, implementing, and using the mechanism. Create a corporate directive on what your organization is allowed to do with personal information. Once applications and software is developed and deployed, security should also be considered when it is operational in environment to avoid any unwanted disclosure of personal information. Want to see how your security by design processes are performing? Find out more with our Security by Design Self-Assessment Toolkit, which you can find at store.theartofservice.com/securitybydesign toolkit.